What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'll show you an easy way to send images to your WhatsApp contact without losing quality on your iPhone. Android users can also follow this process. So without wasting much time here, let's get to the video. So to be able to send images to someone without losing the quality, open your Photos app, then you select the image you want to send to the person. You make sure you save it to your Files app. After saving the image to your Files app, you open WhatsApp. Then you select the contact you want to send the image to. You tap on the plus icon and tap on Documents. Then you go ahead and select the folder in which you saved the picture. Now you select the image you want to send to the person. Then you tap on Open. So when you tap on Open, it will give you a preview of the image. Then you tap on Send to send the picture to the person. So by doing this, will prevent the picture from losing its quality. So for Android users, there's no need for you to save the pictures to your Files app because it's already saved there. So all you need to do is you open WhatsApp, you select Documents, then you find where the image is saved. Then you select the image and send it to the person. So another way to send images to someone also using an iPhone, you open your Photos app, then you select the image you want to send to the person. You tap on the box with an arrow facing up, then you select AirDrop. Make sure the person has his AirDrop set to everyone so he can receive the image. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and also subscribe, share, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe.